May I please lawsuit? I'd like to mention for listing in motion next week, my lord, on Monday. I will.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Lordship.
Yes.
Where in this matter, Lordship, we have the instruction not to praise the matter, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. M.S. Mondal.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioners has submitted that he has instructions from his clients not to praise this petition. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Mondal, learned counsel for the petition, and the petition is dismissed as not praised.
In this case, I am appearing for response number 4.
Okay,
Lordship.
Ms. P. Parasai, learned counsel for the respondent number 4
4, Lordship.
is present.
Lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention for listing of a motion matter Monday, my lord.
What is the subject?
My lord, subject your lordship may remember on last day, my lord, we have challenged the notification, government notification regarding inter-religion. We filed 2 writ petitions together, my lord. One was listed on last Wednesday, my lord. Another is not listed yet, my lord.
Oh, there is no urgency. Already notices normal course.
Even on Monday, it is not
Normal
listed.
course.
My lord, petition parties are
Already challenged. Already challenged, no urgency, normal.
but parties are, my lord.
Same thing. Just because party, you have to see the court business also.
Obliged.
It is not that it is not challenged, already challenged. If that repetition is allowed, it is to be allowed.
May I tell your Lordship? Lordship, I pray for listing a contempt petition, your Lordship. I need it. Yes.
Give it to present, new.
No, Lordship, pending. It was last.
Please give it to the court master.
Supplementary list for withdrawal. Item 47.
I am withdrawing my lord with liberty to file a fresh.
Mr. D.A. Kayum, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that, for withdrawal of the petition with liberty to file a fresh. Mr. S. Dr. Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, Government of Assam, for the response number 1, 2, 3, 4. And Mr. S.S. Roy, learned Junior Government Advocate, Assam, for the response number 5 are taken. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Kayum, the petition is dismissed on withdrawal with the liberty as paid for.
Published.
Daily list for motion. Item 1.
Oh. Water. Okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner is found. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. In view of such absence, let the case be listed. The case is passed over for the day.
Item number 2.
That's going.
By the way. It is.
Yes.
Lordship received the instructions, Lordship. Victim compensation.
Hmm.
Victim. The case has not yet been charge sheeted or FR. So we are waiting for that, Lordship. The inquiry is pending.
Oh, CRPC is not sound. What is the victim compensation scheme?
Lordship, if your lordship will find.
You are approached earlier.
Yes, your lordship.
Grant
And there
compensation
is
to
a
a petitioner
direction
under
by
the
the
so
Honorable
and so. And revised notification. What is the compensation scheme?
See, if your lordship for a moment, if file at page 235, your lordship, below down, close 5(1), your lordship.
First, let us see the first page of the affidavit. Oh, sorry, scheme.
Yes, your lordship.
This is under 357A.
Yes, your lordship.
Now let us see.
Close 5(1).
There are two parts.
Yes,
When a recommendation is made by the court, this is one.
yes, your lordship.
So here no
Or-
charge sheet has been
Not filed.
filed, so there cannot be any recommendation of the court,
Yes, your lordship.
right?
Yes.
Or an application is made by any victim or his dependent under subsection 2 of section 357A, right?
Yes. In BNSS, it 396.
This is under 356 or let us see BNSS. Any change? Then okay. 390?
6.
396.
But since 2023, it is lying.
396.
Yes.
So 396 is also with regard to recommendation made by the court for compensation.
Yes.
DLSA or SLSA shall decide the quantum of compensation. So second part, an application is made by any victim or his dependents under subsection 2 of section 357 of the Act. So only condition requisite is recommendation by the court under
Yeah.
subsection 2. There is one provision, subsection 4, where the offender is not traced
Yes, sir.
or identified, but the victim is identified, and where no trial takes place. The victim or his dependents may make an application to the state and DLSA for award of compensation. So either a charge sheet or a final report would be required.
Required, but since
Otherwise, court does not come into picture.
Yes.
Whole victim compensation scheme is under section 357A.
Yes. Sir.
The scheme cannot live without 357A.
Yes. Sir.
Now here is a subsection 4 where it says that no trial takes place.
Yes.
So that victim is known, offender is not known. Then something in the form of a final report
Finally.
that victim is yes, but case is also true, but offender is not known.
Yes.
Then only it can have jurisdiction to decide on compensation.
Yes, sir.
As on date, no charge sheet has been filed.
But matter since pending 2023, FIR lost in the year of
That I
2023.
cannot direct.
But
I
the
cannot direct. Normally, court cannot direct.
the concerned authority is
investigation.
a superior authority. So
No. Some us that court can direct. This is a case for victim compensation.
yes, your lordship.
Right. Not for a direction to expedite the investigation.
But as per the clause 151, your
No,
lordship. that-
everything is 357A.
Yes, your lordship. This is the principle.
The foundation is 357A.
Yes, your lordship.
On that basis, this has been framed. Now let us see which one.
Clause 5.1, your lordship, down below.
This reads with what is the first line? Either a recommendation of the court or subsection 2 of section 57.
recommendation code or an application made by the victim.
Yes.
That application should be
Yes.
considered within 2 months. There is a time limit.
No, where is the court comes into picture unless a final report or a charge sheet is filed during the investigation stage.
Yes, your lordship.
How the court comes into picture? That is what my question is.
Okay, lordship, I will bring report. I will apply for
Because
certificate
instruction is, they have asked for up-to-date report because no charge sheet has been filed till date.
yes, your lordship.
So, DLSA secretary, as on date,
No.
does not have competence to decide this application. Once final report or charge sheet is filed, yes. Let us read subsection A of para 5. Whenever a recommendation is made by the court, that is out.
Out.
Right?
Or
Or an application is made by any victim or his dependents under subsection 2 of section 357 of the Act. Now we have read subsection 2 is whenever a recommendation is made by the court for compensation, the district legal service authority or state legal service authority shall decide the quantum of compensation. So here also recommendation.
last line.
But condition is, you insist on 2 months, but condition requisite is not present.
Not present. Shall made an inquiry thereafter. For that inquiry, charge sheet or FIR must be required.
I find I collect past accident information report.
That is for MSCD.
Yes, your
158,
Yes, your
right? That form 54. Is it not?
Yes.
Yes, your lordship. But
Form 54 does not have any place under section 357A.
yes.
That is under section 158 or of the Motor Vehicles Act.
166.
But for getting compensation, you have to wait.
Wait, but
2 months will not come here. Once report is submitted, either charge sheet or final report, and victim is identified, the criminal is not identified, then they can proceed. And instruction is clear. Perusal of charge sheet or final report is necessary in this inquiry as the deceased victim is stated to have died in an accident caused by unknown accused. Necessary order will be passed on receipt of charge sheet or final report. It is as per law. Why should we keep a writ petition pending, a premature one?
And now my humble.
You have the right to hesitate once final report or charge sheet is filed. We cannot direct DLSA now, after understanding the provision of 357A, to pass compensation order.
But
But
as per
your
the
right
order
is still available.
available.
You will get the thing, but here is a case premature writ petition. Once final report or charge sheet is filed, you have the right to pursue for compensation. And will not keep a writ petition like this pending. Right? Already we have huge numbers of writ petitions pending.
Yes, Lordship, this is a welfare legislation.
Welfare legislation,
District Legal
but
Services
condition,
Authority is
then
the-
you make submission.
District Legal Services Authority is the superior
If
authority of
the,
the police station, Your Lordship.
yes,
So, District Legal Service Authority
they
may
have asked for,
take a strict action against the police.
they
station.
don't
Why
have
not
that
they file-
authority. They don't have that authority, strict
As per
action.
the section, Your Lordship, 279 and 304A. This is
District Legal Service Authority derives jurisdiction only from 357A.
then
They do
Lordship,
not exceed.
allow me and another date I will finding.
No, no, will not.
File or
We
not.
will not.
If file, then I will file.
We will not.
By
We will not.
way of affidavit.
It is premature. You have a right to pursue only after submission of final report or charge sheet. You have the right, but your right is not going to die. Only thing, final report.
Lordship.
Shall we pass a detail order? Or dismissing the writ petition? Holding it as a premature one?
Okay, giving limit.
Because otherwise they will understand differently. Heard Mr. S.I. Akal and counsel for the petition. I am saying repeatedly that your right is not going to die, but at this stage it is not crystallized.
And here, Lordship, we have make party,
Miss-
police station also make party in earlier writ petition. So here we have not party the police station. So invite maybe.
Ms. M. Bormon, SS Royal and Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respond number 1 and 3 and Mr.
On behalf of this arts for him,
Hmm?
Assam State Legal Service Authority.
Your name, please.
Ardas.
Ardas, Learned Counsel on behalf of Ms. R.H. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel, ASLSA for the respond number 2. Mr. Roy, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam has submitted that as per his instruction, neither charge sheet nor any final report has been submitted in connection with Okisto Police Station case number 313/2023, registered under section 279/338/304A of the Indian Penal Code till date. Para Mr. Akon, Learned Counsel for the petition has submitted that since it has been submitted by the Learned Counsel for the state response, that no charge sheet or final report has been submitted in connection with Okisto Police Station case number so and so, he is not pressing this writ petition, at this stage, with liberty to file afresh after filing of, after the charge sheet,
Perfect.
after filing of the charge sheet or final report in connection with Okisto Police Station case number so and so.
Deeply.
Right? In view of the above submission made by Mr. Akon, taking note of the submission made by Mr. Akon, Learned Counsel for the petition, the petition is dismissed. This is closed at this stage with the liberty, reserving a liberty to the petitioner to approach again to approach it. The instruction placed by Mr. Roy, the form of the office, an office letter number so and so dated so and so from the Secretary District Legal Service Authority, Kamrup Metro Gauhati, along with the status report is kept with the case.
Item 3.
Yes.
May I please, your lordships? Lordships, my late father is the pattadar, and I have been paying the revenue to the government.
Yeah, very good.
And I have placed an
Online
representation on 9 March 2026.
Online.
Which one? Online?
NHS3.
He has not done online.
I've done it offline, your lordship.
We will
Now
not
it-
act. We cannot direct out.
Humble prayer, your lordship. Just direction to consider my prayer or
We will not do.
to make me a
We
file.
will not do.
online.
If you file online, we can direct. When it is a procedure, when a mode is prescribed for doing an act in a particular manner by the statute, then that act must be done in that manner and in no other manner.
Your lordship, my
1936 PB Council.
I consider your
Hard. Then I dismiss.
Your lordship with an observation that I'll file online and it shall be considered, your lordship.
Your demarcation on this.
Kindly, Your
Demarcation. Definitely, we file online and as per within the prescribed timeline, but no direction to consider this application. Why your case is an exceptional one? We have been disposing of writ petition in thousands. Heard, Mr.
Yes, sure.
S?
Sure.
Sure. Counsel for the petition. Aforesaid. Standing Counsel Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the respond number 1, Government of Assam. Respond number 1 and Mr. S. Roy, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 2 and 3. Close to. Sound good. Now, you have land in, what is your description of land?
Your lordship, patta number 2251, tag number 2700.
Para 2,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The petitioner has stated that his father, late Atwar Hussain, was the absolute owner of a plot of land measuring 1 katha 9 lessas, covered by DAG number 2700 under Hiras periodic patta number 2251, situate at village, revenue village, 2 numbers Aporigo, Moja Beltola, Dispur revenue circle, district Kamrup Metro, Assam subject lot. Post. The petitioner has stated that his father, Atwar Rahman, died on 13/6/2011. And since then, the petitioner, being the legal heir of late Atwar Rahman, is in occupation of the subject lot and is in continuous and peaceful possession of the subject lot. And he has been paying the land revenue assessed for the subject plot regularly. Post of para. It is a case of the petitioner that as a need has arisen for demarcation of the boundary of the subject plot, he submitted a representation before the respondent number 3 on 9/6/2026.
93, your lordship.
9/3. along with all the supporting documents for demarcation of the subject plot, full stop, as more than 5 months have elapsed since the since submission of the representation, and the respondent number 3 has not acted on the representation dated 9/6/2026. The petitioner has approached this court by the present petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, seeking a direction to the respondent authorities, more particularly, the respondent number 3, to demarcate the subject plot as expeditiously as possible by disposing of the representation. First of para, Mr. Aforesaid and Mr. Roy.
Your Lordship, observation to consider when a file online use. Humble privilege.
Where is your application?
970. Page 17.
Page number
Mhm.
16.
And it's 70.
Within the prescribed time period. Prescribed time period. Act is there, 45 days or something. Is it not?
Yes.
Uh,
So, Lordship, the office memorandum dated 21st December 2020.
yes.
That nowhere states to be done it on online mode, Your Lordship. It is written that in a standard
30 days.
application format.
30 days.
30 days.
Online mode has nowhere been prescribed in that particular.
Okay, we'll issue notice. Note. Online, they will bring the instruction that the online is, will issue notice. Issue notice. We have to get there because their
My-
submission is that it is to be submitted online. You are disputing. When there is a lease, we'll issue notice. Issue notice. Returnable 4 weeks. Steps. As so and so appeared. They will come with the instruction that it is must be online. Thereafter, we'll decide. It will go back to 4 weeks. There is a dispute.
I leave it to your convenience. Your
No,
Lordship.
it is up to you. If you
Because
dispute,
My learned
no,
counsel
if you raise a dispute, then we have to ask for instruction. Because their submission is that it must be online. And you say that it can be done physically. So that has to be decided. There is a lease now. You understand the lease. So there is a lease now. There is a proposition. And there is a counter proposition. So we'll decide. whether it is online is mandatory or offline can be permitted. Which one you choose?
Notice may be issued, Your Lordship.
Notice.
Item 4,
Better like you. On the other hand, Mr. So-and-so, the council for opinion submitted that an application for demarcation can also be submitted in the physical mode. And it is not mandatory for an applicant to submit an application for demarcation online. The matter would require consideration issue notice. Which one? Oh, public premises.
But in all these 6 matters, my lord, pursuant to your lordship's order, the notices were cancelled, my lord.
Section 4. Then section 5.
Yes.
Section 6. Because your agreement
Yes.
itself indicates you cannot deviate.
Earlier notice itself indicates.
Earlier notice also. Yes, madam. They have withdrawn. The subject matter of challenge is gone. You have received a withdrawal order. Withdrawal received? Received or not?
Yes.
You were there.
Yes, yes.
You have received.
Yes.
So withdrawal.
Yes.
So quick close. Okay, one by one. Heard Miss S. Roy. Side number. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. S. Roy.
One.
Learned Junior Government Bograsan for the respondent number 1, 2, 3. No. 4 also. A general manager, district and industry. You are the state officer. You have issued this notice. You are the main one.
That 7 has perhaps.
7.
Or
No. He said, see, come to page 39, say for example. General manager.
general manager.
Right. So he is a state government employee.
Yes.
On the other hand, estate, who is the estate officer? Normally, we have seen notification whereby general manager DIC is made estate officer
Yes.
for industrial estate.
Yes.
Anyway, we go by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and Mr. S. Das.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Learned Standing Council, Assam Small Industries Development Corporation Limited for the respondent number 5, 6, and 7. Post. Where in this writ petition instituted under Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution, the petitioner has assailed a notice to vacate dated 14/7,
48.
14/8, 2026. Served upon it by the respondent number 5 and by the said notice, a residential quarter was directed to be vacated by 24/7/2026, failing which action would be initiated for eviction. No, initial 14/7.
Yes, initial 14.
Notice to vacate.
14/7.
The 14/7/2026.
26.
No, again. In this petition, the petitioner has assailed an order of eviction dated 14/8/2026. Passed under the hand of the respondent number 4. Post up. Where Mr. Das, you are running industry.
Yes.
Or so. Mr. Das, Last Standing Council, ASI this year submitted, that has submitted that by an office letter number so and so dated 18/8/2026, comma, the notice number লিখি দিব আৰু, the impugned eviction order has been recalled, has been cancelled and has placed a copy of the said office letter before the court, post of, as the eviction order dated number so and so, dated so and so, has already been cancelled, comma, there is no surviving cause of action for the present writ petition to proceed with. Also, in such way of the matter, the writ petition is closed. Same. Where is the other counsel?
5,
By
item 5.
Mr. N.A. Major.
Yes, ma'am.
নাম কেইটা চাই ল'ব, নম্বৰ কেইটা চাই ল'ব, same.
But there is another in supply list also.
Yes, my lord, I am.
One by one.
Yes.
One by
Item
one.
6.
This is N.A. Major Winger 6. Then 7
Item
is
7.
S. Roy. 8 is S. Roy. Then what is?
Still in.
Huh?
They did not restitution. Still in.
No, I have said that notice to vacate only, eviction order only. I have not said residential, industrial state. Since this is recall, no point. Then item
51.
51. Same. Only order number to silence, notice number, or recall order number to likhi.
Obliged.
Highly obliged.
Delhi is item number 9.
Please, Lordship, bank account is without any notice, Lordship. May I? Please,
Heard,
Lordship.
Mr.
R. Islam, Lordship.
R. Islam Learned Counsel for the petition. It is, the petition has stated that he has been maintaining.
Lordship, kindly please page number 17 and 15, Lordship. No, it is not a cybercrime complaint, Lordship. Page number 17, para 2,
Notice has to be issued.
Lordship.
We cannot decide because they are not present, isn't it?
Lordship, having balance over more than 4 lakhs, my account has been freezed. So,
But you are in a line, madam, sir. He has been maintaining. What kind of account?
saving account, Your Honor.
Savings bank account number. Para 3 at UCO Bank Kalasar branch Mukalmore since 2014. To within bracket respond number 3. As on date, the petitioner has a balance of rupees 4,04,635.36 in the savings bank account. Post. Now, it is stated that when he tried to withdraw do a transaction, he he came to learn that the savings bank account, his savings bank account has been blocked. There was no prior notice and no intimation as regards the region. Oh, you have came to know or what?
Your Honor.
When the petitioner approach the respondent number 3
Yes, sir.
for the region to keep the account blocked. Comma, the petitioner has been informed that the bank account has been put under debit freeze for multiple suspicious transaction.
Not multiple, Your Honor. Page number 17, para 3. Single transaction over the dates and being suspected as a new account.
Has been informed due to suspicious transaction, comma, a lien has been placed. What paragraph 5, last line you were saying?
Last paragraph, not, Lordship, we are not disputing that. Lordship, already lien. So
What is the information they have given? Okay, now like issue notice returnable on so and so. Steps upon the respondents by speed post within 2 working days. Last line to liquidable on appearance. The region for keeping the account.
2509, 25th September. Item 10.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I think the petitioner grievance is that the petitioner is a retired school teacher and pensioner, and he is fully dependent upon the pensioner benefit and day to living expenses. And petitioner maintain one pension account with the State Bank of India, the Howley branch, in which his monthly pension is regularly credited. However, the on 6/7/2021, the petitioner will attempt to try to withdraw his pension amount, Lordship, but he is unable to withdraw his pension amount. Thereafter, they immediately approached the respondent number 2, that is the branch manager of Howley branch, Lordship, regarding the non-operation of the said pension account, Lordship. Thereafter, the branch manager of the Howley branch, Lordship, stated that they receive a communication from the respondent number 2 regarding the order passed by the learned arbitrary tribunal regarding debit freeze of the pension, debit freeze of the account, which is linked with the PAN card, Lordship. That is page, Lordship, 33, Lordship. And there petitioner neither receive any arbitrary proceeding regarding the pending and no notice under section of 17, Lordship.
Okay, hard Mr.
B. Islam, Lordship.
B. Islam Learned Counsel for the application. Now, private person is also putting debit instruction, debit freeze instruction.
Yes,
Arbitrator is also putting.
yes. Lordship, because they are not as per arbitration proceeding, the notice has to be served before any interim order pass. Because the petitioner is still that no knowledge about the where the arbitration proceeding is going on, or is how is the status.
Comma, the petitioner, comma,
And petitioner is the hard petition, Lordship. He could not dare to
Comma.
explain.
a senior city, comma, has approached this court by the present writ petition, comma, agreed by and agreed by an instruction placed by the respondent number 3 on 8/7/2026 with the respondent number 2 to for freezing bank account number one 359,643, comma, where the petitioner's monthly pension gets credited. Para. As per the projection made, comma, the petitioner came to know about the fact that his account has been kept locked when he attempted to withdraw money through ATM on 6/7/2026. First of all, when the petitioner visited the Howley branch, the bank branch, comma, he was informed that the bank account had been debit frozen pursuant to a communication received by the bank from the respondent number 6 on 8/7/2026, comma, purportedly in compliance of an interim order dated 6/2/2026, passed by an arbitrator under Section 7 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996, in an interlocutory application, IA number 01/2025, in arbitration case number para 5, PROCEEDINGS, CDN/SICCI/CIFSL/895/2000. Post of. Where is that order? Order is there.
No, Lordship, this is the communication he received,
Ah.
Lordship, that is page 33.
By the communication, comma, instructions were placed to debit freeze the bank account of the petitioner up to a limit of rupees 24,16,176.05.
Link with the PAN card bank account, Lordship, link with.
That is your PAN card.
Lordship,
That is your PAN card.
yes, my PAN card link with the said account, Lordship, this is
Your PAN card
yes,
is
my,
obviously linked.
yes,
Your PAN card and Aadhaar card will be linked.
yes, Lordship.
That is not the issue.
As per what is
Yes,
Lordship, PAN
As
card link with that.
per from the communication dated 8/7/2026, comma, annexed Annex 4 to the writ petition, comma, it is noticed that the arbitrator had purportedly issued an interim order to debit freeze the bank account of the petitioner, linking it to PAN card number it will have a BFS EA 6327J
First one is his son PAN card, and second one is my PAN card.
SCACV PA 9585D up to a limit of rupees 24,16,176.05. So it is mentioned that as per Section 17 within bracket 2 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, comma, the interim orders issued by an arbitral tribunal are to be deemed to be orders of a court for all purposes and are enforceable under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, comma, in the same manner as court orders, and non-compliance with such orders may attract contempt proceeding under Section 27 within bracket 5 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. Poster. Para Mr. So-and-so, learning counsel for the petition, has submitted that the son of the petitioner avail vehicle financial assistance from the respondent number 3 for the purpose of purchasing a truck after execution of a loan agreement. Poster. The respondent number 3 has sanctioned and financed a loan amount of rupees 24,30,385 in favor of the petitioner's son, comma, repayable in 71 monthly installments for the during the period from 25/10/2024 to 25/8/2030. Poster. As due to an accident. Comma, the regularity
The vehicle
to deposit the monthly installments against the finance vehicle got by the petitioner son got disrupted, comma, it transpires that the respondent number 3 had initiated a proceeding under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act against the petitioner's son, and it is in connection with the said arbitration proceeding. The interim order is purportedly passed, wherein the petitioner had never received any notice, right?
Lordship.
Whether a bank account can be attached in such a manner pursuant to an order passed in an arbitration proceeding by an arbitrator would require examination, issue notice, return, bull so and so. Steps upon all by speed post within 2 working days.
Till that lordship, the direct.
How can?
There is Supreme Court.
No,
orders,
no, we'll examine arbitrator
there-
that such.
There is Supreme Court, the pension court cannot be a character alter with there is a Supreme Court order also. This honorable court order also.
On the first day itself,
Because my interim peer, lordship, because he could not operate. his,
interim prayer is declined.
Lordship,
The interim prayer is declined
much. So because the pension account.
without
lordship,
assigning any reason.
Then next
Go
day.
and appeal
Lordship, then next
before
day.
the division.
Finally next date.
Don't ask for unreasonable interim prayer.
Much.
2509, 25th September. Item 11.
In the District Mineral Foundation Trust meeting held on 3/1/2026.
MLA is not giving you the money.
My lord.
Huh?
In earlier meeting, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Roy,
Amar
MLA
was
is not giving
sanctioned.
him the money.
MLA,
Heard Mr.
is
H.R.
there-
Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. What kind of school you are?
My lord, Prathamik Vidyalaya, my lord.
Provincialized?
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. School education, miss? B. Deca, learned standing counsel School Education Department for the respondent number 1, 3.
Two I am appearing, Your Worship.
Why you are making this MLA party? It is from his fund,
Yes. Yes.
and fund is to be looked after by the district commissioner.
Notice then may not be issued to me.
And Mr. S.S. Roy. 2. Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 2. Post. The petitioner, Mr. Ahmed, the petitioner is a government stroke provincialized elementary school. Post. It is stated that in a meeting of the District Mineral Foundation Trust, held on C1/2026, a resolution to grant an amount of rupees 20 lakh was approved in favor of the petitioner school for construction of additional classrooms. So thereafter, a 7-member construction committee has been constituted, and the plans and estimates were also prepared. Despite such approval, the sanction amount was not released. Subsequently, with changes after the General Assembly election, the District Mineral Foundation Trust, in its subsequent meeting held on 11/7/2026, did not include the grant of rupees 2 lakh, whereas some other grants were approved, agreed thereby. The petitioner school has approached this court by the present petition, seeking inter alia direction to the responding authorities to disburse the amount of rupees 2 lakh as approved in a meeting of the District Mineral Foundation Trust on 3/1/2026. Issue notice. Mr. Ahmed has submitted that at this stage, since the grants is out of a fund, notice to the respondent court is not necessary. Issue notice to the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. The notice is made returnable on so and so as Ms. Deka 1, 3, Mr. Roy 2. No formal notice. Extra copies 2 of these.
2809, 28 September. Item 12.
It should be fund, my lords. I have a mistake.
Fund.
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 Obligation.
12.
May I please ask, this matter pertains to cancellation of registration of GST.
When?
12/12/2025, madam.
12/12.
Yes, madam.
Kali আমরা সঙ্গে কেটে আছে
কেটামান তো জিএসটি ফিক্স করা আছে।
similar that এমডাস
23.
And the. Oh, August. We'll put you in the group. Same group.
Same group.
Hard, Mr.
M. Shalim.
M. Shalim Learning Council for the petitioner. GST people are not here. Mr. Borua. Yes, come forward.
Our name is not reflected in the,
We are not doing any damage today.
my lord.
Do you accept notice?
Our name may be reflected. Copy may be
We'll
served.
put this writ petition along with that yesterday's case
My-
where you have filed an affidavit.
My lord,
Mr. Gogo has filed an affidavit.
my lord.
We'll put this case. The same affidavit will be sufficient. On union? CGST?
Name not reflected, my lord.
Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Central Government Council for the respondent number 1. Mr. H. Burua, Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Finance and Taxation Department, Government of Assam for the respondent number 3 and 4. Full stop. The petitioner was issued registration certificate in form GST REG. Yes, Mr. K. joined, Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. S. C. Kyle, Learned Senior Counsel and Special Counsel CGST for the respondent number 2. Full stop. The petition, in form GST. REG 06 on 10/11/2022. Full stop. On 7/7/2025, a show cause notice was served upon the petitioner by the proper officer in form GST REG 17/31 for the region that returns for a continuous period of 6 months under Section 39 of the CGST Act were not furnished by the petitioner, and therefore the registration of the petition under the CGST Act was liable to be cancelled. Post on. Despite the show cause notice, the petitioner did not submit any reply. Post stop. On 12/12/2025, the proper officer passed an order for cancellation of registration in form GST REG 19. Full stop. Thereafter, the petitioner submitted an application for revocation on 6/2/2026 under Section 30 of the CGST Act. 30 CGST Act. Full stop. A show cause notice was issued to the petitioner by the proper officer on 6/3/2026. Full stop. Did you file any reply
Yes, my lord.
asking the petitioner to furnish a reply? Full stop. Where is your reply? No reply. Thereafter, an order of rejection of application for revocation of cancellation has been passed in form GST REG 05 on 18/3/2026. Full stop. The petitioner submitted returns in form GST RTB up to December 2025 to 2000 up to December 2026
26.
on 22/6/2026. Full stop. Seeking cancellation of the order of seeking cancellation, seeking setting aside of the order of cancellation of GST registration, the petition has prepared this petition. Issue notice returnable on
22nd.
22nd. As so and so appear, accept this. No formal notice, extra copies. The names of SC, CGST, and SC, Finance and Action Department, Government of Assam, are to be reflected in the respondent side of the call list.
A copy of the repetition may be found.
Not one. Two.
2209. Item 13.
So in this case, usually thereby
Further, the petitioner permanent resident eroded 40 years. To shelter government cast land. Tori food. Paid fully. I believe district commission seeking allotment. In this meeting, resolution to recommend for allotment. Government casting in favor of. Third, Mr. L.R. Majumdar, Land Council for the petitioner. Miss N. Borduri, Land Standing Council Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the respond number 1 and 2.
3, 4, and 5.
And Mr. S.S. Roy, Land Junior Government Bogra Assam for the respond number 3, 4, and 5.
Lordship,
It is the case of the petitioner that in a meeting, the subdivisional land advisory committee, Dhuburi, in its meeting held on 27/1/2021, approved.
Lordship, similar case, Lordship already, Honorable Court directed to issue Pata. Lordship means
On the motion stage,
Let me have the instructions.
then you place.
Lordship.
I had approved allotment, stroke settlement of a plot of land measuring 1 katha 9 lessa, covered by government, DAG number 337, in favor of the petitioner's father. Your father's name?
No, Lordship. It
In
is
favor of
not-
the petition.
No.
In favor of the petition. Post up. Thereafter, the petitioner paid the premium amount on 12/6/2024. Post up. Agreed by non-issuance of patta in respect of the plot of land which has been approved by the SDLAC of allotments to settlement of which had been approved by the SDLAC, and the premium amount had been paid. The petitioner has approached this court by the instant revocation. After not receiving answer, not receiving any answer to his representation dated 13/7/2026. Issue notice returnable on so and so. As so and so appeared, accepted no formal notice, extra copies. Right. Get the instruction. When will dispose of?
Lordship. Of like
28-9. Item 14.
Lordship, matter may possible time.
What?
Lordship, my senior election and port number 1.
You are go. What is the case about?
Yes, my lord,
non-payment of the required compensation against acquisition of the land. I am the petitioner.
You should argue this case where there is no interim prayer.
Yes, my lord.
Huh? Why you wait for your senior? When there is no interim prayer, you can argue. Take the opportunity.
Yes, my lord.
What is your case?
Ashish?
You have not read.
Yes, my lord, I am there.
Please take.
After some time.
So that is a submission.
No, my lord.
No, your senior will not be permitted to make submission. Come back after half an hour. Read it. Do you have the file or not? You are holding another
Yes,
brief.
yes, I have. I have.
Read it.
Yes, my lord.
Then since 10:30, what you are doing? Now it is 11:30. You are sitting in the court, not reading the brief.
Okay, I listed, my lord.
Read, do it in half an hour.
Yes,
I'll not permit your senior to make submission.
Item 15.
May it please, my lord.
Yes.
As the petitioners, my lords, had applied for mutation, and that application has been pending since 22/7/2024, my lords.
2024.
Yes, my lord.
Which one?
The application lordship will find at
Okay,
page
let me
88.
read. Let me read.
Yes, my lords.
How many petitions?
2 petitioners, my lords.
There is a case of hard Mr. B. Chodril and counsel for the petitioner. Miss N. Bordolo, learned standing counsel, revenue and disaster management department for the respondent number 1 and 2. And Mr. B. Taludar, learned senior counsel, listed by Mr. P.K. Medil, learned Guinness of Advocate Assam for the respondent number 3, 4, and 5. Who is this man?
My lords, were the petitioners, my lords, predecessor in interest, the late father.
Respondent number 6.
Yes, is a private entity party, my lords. We had entered into an agreement with sale with this person, my lords, the petitioner's father. He has since expired. Now, this person has instituted a suit, my lords. And the reason assigned for non-disposal of the suit or the application for mutation, lordship will find at page 101.
You have only filed FIR. You have not.
I've also, there is
You
a
should have instituted a suit for.
Yes, sir, my counterclaim is also there.
Huh?
My counterclaim is also there.
Okay. Hard, Miss. Okay. The petitioners have stated that their father was the owner of a plot of land measuring 1 katha, 6 acres, covered by DAG number 730 and pattern number 678, at village, situated village Hati Counts, Moja Beltola, Gauhati Revenue Circle, Kamrup Metropolitan District, Assam, subject of post office. During his lifetime, the petitioner's father entered into an agreement for sale with the respondent number 6 on 7/1/2026. It is the case of the petition. Huh? But the registered, but no any registered sale deed, but no sale deed for the in respect of the subject plot was registered during the lifetime of the petitioner's father. So the petitioners came to know subsequently that the respondent number 3 had fraudulently executed a sale deed in relation to the in respect of the subject law. So accordingly, an FIR was filed and the case was registered wherein the respondent number 6 was arrested. Post of the petitioner's father expired on 28/3/2024. Post of when after demise of the petitioner's father, the petitioners applied for mutation on 22/7/2024. The respondent authorities, more particularly, the respondent of 5. Has not processed the application on the premise that a title suit, title suit number 221/2025, instituted by the respondent number 6 as the plaintiff, is pending before the civil judge, before the court of civil judge, within a senior division, post number 2, Kamrup, Gauhati, wherein a decree for a specific performance of contract, allegedly of the fraudulently executed sale deed, has been solved. Issue notice returnable on so-and-so. As so-and-so appear accepted, no formal notice, extra copies. Step 7, respond number 6 by speed post within 4 hours.
2809, 28 September. Item 17.
State Union both party.
Both party, madam.
Similar order.
Madam.
R.S. Mishra. Petitioner. K. Jain. On behalf of Mr. S.C. Kyle, Senior Counsel and Special Counsel, CGST, for the respondent number 1, 2.
Lordship 226.
Okay, Mr. S.S. Roy. Where is Mr. S.S. Roy? Mr. S.S. Roy, Central Government Counsel, for the respondent number 1. Mr. K. Jain, Learned Counsel, on behalf of Mr. S.C. Kyle, Learned Senior Counsel and Special Counsel, CGST, for the respondent number 226. And Mr. H. Borua, Learned Counsel, on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance and Taxation Department, Government of Assam, for the respondent number
789.
Oh, Mr. B. Gogoi. I saw Mr. Borua a few moments earlier. Okay, B. Gogoi of the Chaudhuri. Standing Counsel, Finance and Taxation Department, Government of Assam, for the respondent number
789.
789. So stop. Corrected, sir?
It is there, madam. I have done.
None.
Lordships.
Coercives, no coercives.
No question.
Pending.
Pending, madam.
Supreme Court.
Lordships.
Corrected correctly
Yes, madam.
or incorrectly?
Correctly, madam. I have checked 2 times, madam.
Same date.
Madam.
Returnable date same.
Lordships. Much of.
Any progress in the Supreme Court?
Not in. Item 18.
Please, Your Lordship.
NOC was given in 2004, my lord, for construction of G+4 building at page 30. Now, accordingly, the construction was carried out, and my lord, a G+4 building was standing, named the Saratkuj apartment, my lord.
Saratkuj,
my lord. It's Ulubari, my lord, near behind the backside of earlier KFC, my lord. Now, the permission was for up to 4th floor. Now, my lord, Lordship will see the next, my lord, annexure 3, my lord, page 33.
Just a minute.
30 is the annexure 2, my lord, NOC. That was issued on 29/7/2004, my lord. In the name of DB Associates. Respond number 6.
Yes.
I was actually the owner of the land, my lord, along with the brother. So we executed a development agreement and I am having a flat there. Now, Lordship will see, my lord, page annexure 3, my lord, page 33, my lord. Now, by this order of 2/6/2026, the Commissioner Gauhati Municipal Corporation has said that this is to certify that ground plus 6th floor of the building DBSS is situated at Borthakur Mill Road, covered by Dag number so and so, situated in so and so, is regularized by way of receiving an amount of rupees 7,51,000 and so as per appendix to the building bylaws. Now, my lord, the construction is still going on. I have annexed the photographs. And Lordship is the next paragraph, next page 34, my lord, annexure 4. (18/5/2026), an application was made to the associate planner. With great respect, page 34, annexure 4, my lord. With great respect, I would like to state that we have already received permission for G+6 residential building apartment on 29/7/2004. We are submitting all as built drawing and documents for regularization of 5th and 6th floor over the approved drawing, which has been constructed in accordance with applicable norms and regulations. So, my lord, 2004 permission is only, my lord, up to 4th floor, my lord. And the constructions are going on. And extra, my lord, I have given the photographs.
Normally, you have given colored photograph. This page 35, black and white. Nothing is. Because now in
Their application, my lord, that's the reason, my lord. It's their application. I got it, my lord, by an application from GM.
Okay.
That's the reason. Now, these photographs, my lord, the constructions are going on. No, it photograph. These photographs. No, these are our photographs, man. Well, my learned friends, the color photographs are there. Page 37, my lord. Sure. In fact, there are two buildings, my lord, side by side. One is Sarat Kunj and one is Vasant Kunj, my lord. Vasant Kunj is 6th floor. Sarat Kunj is 4th floor. And over which the constructions are being done, my lord. So, my lord, before the construction, my lord, they have already regularized it. And my lord, my case is that, my lord, there is no, my lord, technical, my lord, verification was conducted as to whether, my lord, this can withstand a 6-story building or not, my lord.
Mr. Bora, is a serious matter.
Serious matter.
Looks like very serious matter.
Lordship will examine it, my lord. Because Lordship will examine. Lordship issue notice for Lordship.
Lordship, stop construction, man. They're carrying out.
No, you
construction going on.
then get an inspection report from the GMC by visiting the place, that whether 5th and 6th floor are in existence today.
My lord. In fact, I have the photographs today morning. The photograph, my lord, construction going full swing, man.
This is a serious matter. 2004
2000
permission.
permission of 2004. Now it has been regularized because addition
The
of floor,
20
addition
years.
of floor is a non-compoundable offense.
Huh?
Addition of floor at that particular time is non-compoundable offense. That's why.
It is 4th only. Heard Mr. M. Dr. and Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. J. Mohanto. Mr. Bora, you represent
I appear for response number 2, 3, 4, and 5.
which for one? Is there any department like this?
Town and country planning, there is a department.
Okay.
There is a department. But
Then
this,
stick and
this department will not come under GMC. It's a different department of housing and urban affairs.
Housing or GB.
anyway, they are not concerned. PJ Taldar and Senior Counsel assisted by Mr. B.K. Medhi, Junior Government Advocate Assam, to respond number 1. And Mr. S. Bora, Standing Counsel GMC and GMD A for the respond number 2,
2, 3, 4, and 5.
Post. The petitioner has canvassed that on 29/7/2004, no objection certificate under section 25 of the GMD Act 1985 was issued to the respondent number 6 for construction of a RCC building within bracket Z+4 post on a plot of land, which belongs to the petitioner as a co-patadar or what?
Yes, my lord. Along with his brother, he was the
As a co-patadar. This respondent number 6 is your brother. Surname is same.
brother, my lord.
Oh, brother dispute. It is a case of the petitioner that the respondent number 6 on 2/6/2026 had surreptitiously managed to obtain an order for 5th and 6th floor of the RCC building from the respondent number 2,
3, and 4.
Commissioner.
This is commissioner.
Commissioner.
Respondent number 2. By regularizing it by way of regulation on deposit of penalty or rupees 7,51,366. So the petitioner stated that as on date, construction is going on for the 5th floor. Post. The petitioner has further contended that for regularization of the 5th and 6th floor of the RCC building, the respondent number 6 had represented that construction of the 2 floors were complete. Is it by complete?
That's what they will have proposed.
Regularization means
Yes, well, complete.
similar the service regularization.
Exactly.
That man is in post.
Yes.
That is regularization.
Yeah. So it's complete.
Entry is illegal or irregular. Thereafter
Yes,
regularize.
Yes. Yes.
The construction of 5th and 6th floor of the building was complete. And that too, submitting photographs of another building named
Vasant Kunj apartment.
Vasant Kunj apartment. Whereas the permission, whereas the regulation was made in respect of a building named
Sarat Kunj apartment.
Sarat Kunj apartment, which building, as on date, has only 4 floors.
Yes.
First off, to proceed further, Mr. Bora is asked to obtain an inspection report within a period of 10 days. The GM officials from the GMC who
Let it be both GMC and GMD. Because
stroke
GMC and GMD because
shall
LOC is from GMD.
shall visit the 2 apartments mentioned above, and to submit a report. And to prepare a report for submission before the court through Mr. Bora, Land Standing Council, GMC stroke GMD. Release the case on search.
Well, till the returnable date.
No, we'll see.
Because otherwise the
No,
constitution is going full
See,
swing.
I'm just saying that is the maximum I can do.
My lord.
But building, submit a bank guarantee, 50 lakh. If something happens
My lord.
wrong,
My lord.
right, then we'll encash the bank guarantee.
My lord,
Are you prepared?
my lord, what I'm saying, my lord, is that if
No,
something
no.
happens.
Everything is legal, turned out to be legal.
My lord, my lord.
Who will suffer the loss?
Definitely, my lord. But that's
Who will
not
suffer the loss and who will repay? Who will compensate?
true, my lord. True, my lord. But
Their mechanism is to be prepared then. Then some bank guarantee, like in other cases,
My lord.
bank guarantee is to be. Because you are seeking stoppage of construction or
My lord. Lordship has seen the illegality, my lord, here.
no, I have perceived,
My lord. True, my lord. True.
perceived,
My lord, I have given the, my lord.
not 100% conceived,
My lord.
convinced. That is why I am asking.
My only anxiety, my lord, I understand what lordship, calling for lordship. Only anxiety is the construction.
We cannot stop a building
And
unless it
if
is
something
found
happens
to be
tomorrow,
illegal.
my lord, other way, my lord, if the other, on the other way around, if something happens tomorrow,
Okay, deposit 20 lakhs bank guarantee, I'll stop.
that of course I have to take instructions on that.
Bank guarantee.
That will
Fully
take
liquid.
instructions, my lord. That will take instructions.
Lordship posting on next date, my lord.
Then lordship give us short date, my lord. Otherwise, my lord.
I'm- 10 days I am giving, Mr. How much you need
10 days.
7 September.
in a flooded
0709.
Guwahati?
It will be on
7
8.
September.
Well, let it be on 8, my lord. 8 September.
8 September. 7th I'll also be.
8 is Tuesday.
8 September.
Tuesday.
Right, report. I have already mentioned whatever
Lord,
he has
Lord,
contended
Lord, come.
that this building has
Lordship.
4, this building has 6, all these reports.
My friend will give me a
And,
copy of the
Yes.
petition, my lord.
Sure.
So that I can.
So and so, Land Council Board of Petitions will furnish a copy of the petition along with annexure to Mr. Bora during the course of the day.
Daily list item 19.
Hmm.
Well, although there is various orders passed by this honorable court, my lord. And in terms of the notice issued to us, my lord, we have submitted report before the authority, my lord, railway authority, my lord.
Hmm?
Also will find page. The notice was issued, my lord, page 31, annexus 6, my lord.
31.
Yes. Pursuant to that notice, my lord, the petitioner he submitted all the documents before the authority, my lord, to consider the same.
Then you responded or what?
Yes, my lord. We have submitted everything before the authority, my
Mhm.
lord. But the authority, without considering that aspect of the matter, my lord, threatening us from my lord David, the petitioner from it. Paragraph 12 of my petition. Twelve, 13.
Yes, railway. Railway,
Yes, Lordship.
yes. As the process initiated by this notice at phase 31 been brought to any conclusion? Because there is a writ petition which was disposed of
No, Lordship, we have not.
on 5/6/2024.
We have not.
There it is mentioned that no railway council was not there. So whether an order under section 6 has been passed or not?
Lordship, we have not received any instruction regarding this, Lordship.
Then you get instruction whether any order has been passed or not,
Yes.
because it is there only after an order
Yes, Lordship.
by an estate officer. You can disturb the petitioner. Otherwise, no disturbance.
Lordship, we will take.
Have you understood?
Yes, Lordship.
What you have understood?
We will take instruction, Lordship,
Regarding what?
regarding this notice, Lordship.
No, not notice. Thereafter hearing,
Yes, Lordship.
after hearing, whether any order has been passed
Yes, Lordship.
by the estate officer. Get the instruction.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. P.J. Soikia, learned counsel for the petition. And Miss
M. Bora, Lordship.
M. Bora, learned central government counsel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1 to 5. And Mr. N. Goswami or Mr. R. Borpujari, learned standing counsel, revenue and disaster management department for the respond number 1. And Mr. N. Goswami, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respond number. Sorry, respond number 6, revenue. Aru N. Goswami 7. The case of the petitioner is that he is in possession of a plot of land measuring 1 katha, 18 lesas, within ward number 13, Nagor Mohol Moja. Shivsagar town?
Yes,
Huh?
Station Road.
Ward number 13, Shivsagar Moja, or Shivsagar town, Nagor Mohol Moja, district Shivsagar Assam. Post office. Subject box. Since 1969. Post office. There were 3 rounds of litigation earlier. Post office. In the form of writ petitions.
Yes.
So the last of the writ petition, comma, WBC number last of the writ petition, WBC number 867. No, not 867. 8289.
Yes.
2019 was disposed of by an order dated 5/6/2020. Post of the writ petition WBC number 8289 2019 was preferred upon issuance of a notice by the respondent number 4, that is, comma, the estate officer NF Railway under the provisions of the public premises within bracket eviction of unauthorized occupants bracket close Act 1971 within bracket 1971 Act, asking the petitioner to show cause as to why an order of eviction should not be made. Post of. In response to the notice dated 28/4/2017, comma, as mentioned in the order dated 5/6/2024, comma, the petitioner appeared before the respondent number 4 on 24/4/2017 for personal hearing and submitted all relevant documents to establish his claim as regards the subject plot under his possession. Full stop. The writ petition was disposed of, providing that writ petition WPC number 8289/2019 was disposed of by order dated 5/6/2024, providing that it would be permissible for the railway authorities to evict the petitioner by only following the provisions of the 1971 Act, and also and only after an order in the matter by the respondent number 4, basing on the hearing already conducted in pursuance to the notice dated 28/3/2017. Post of para. Mr. Soikiel and counsel for the petitioner has submitted that as on date, comma, the petitioner has not been communicated with any order passed by the respondent number 4 as the estate officer, NF Railway, as regards the proceeding initiated by the notice dated 28/3/2017. Yet, comma, the respondent railway authorities are making threats to evict the petitioner from the plot of land. Post. Para, Ms. So-and-so, Central Government Council has sought for a week's time to obtain instruction as to whether any order has been passed by the respondent number 4 in the proceeding initiated by the notice dated 28/3/2017 under the 1971. So as sought for is the case of so-and-so. The parties shall maintain status quo, comma, as obtaining today, comma, in respect of the subject till next date. What is the date?
2nd September.
Mr.
0209.
Counsel for the petitioner shall furnish a copy of the writ petition along with annexer to Ms. So-and-so, CDC, to enable Ms. So-and-so to obtain necessary instructions in the matter. During the course of the day.
20. Item 20.
May please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, the land of the petitioners was first requisition. An objection was made by the petitioners that was not considered. Thereafter, successive notices were served on the petitioner for handing over possession. Possession was ultimately taken.
13/5/2022.
Yes, my lord.
How much land? Area?
Area is, my lord, huge in some bighas.
Some bighas?
No, my lord, it will be around
what is this?
20 to 25 bighas, my lord. The table is on.
You don't know how much land you own or what?
My lord, that is detailed in pages.
Page number 12.
12 onwards.
Page number 12.
It has been tabulated, my lord. Under different dags.
And he has received the amount, lordship.
The amount has been received under protest, my lord. My lord, the only difficulty now is that.
When did you receive it?
My lord, in 23 it was received. Thereafter, on protest, it was received and then represented.
Yes, you can lodge protest.
Yes, my lord.
But you have to act also.
My lord,
Within a certain time.
My lord, a representation was also submitted before.
But a representation will suffice.
My lord, though action was taken thereafter.
This is under what? 1964 Act.
64 Act, my lord, with.
Let us see. 64 Act.
with the direction that the compensation would be calculated under the 2013 Act.
Representation.
No, my lord, direction was issued in the notices that.
Why is that?
That, my lord, is from page 50 onwards. 50 onwards, my lord, is the translated copy.
Heard Mr.
N. Chaudhary.
and Chaudhary Learned Counsel for the petition. Petitioners. aforesaid. Revenue. 1. Public. B. Chaudhary, Standing Counsel.
I've got 3, 4, and 5.
PW. RD. As per number 2. And Mr. N. Goswami.
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5. Poster. Para, a parcel of land. It is stated that a parcel of land, belonging to the petitions, where first requisitioned by passing an order dated 11/4/2022 in Form B, followed by an order dated 13/5/2022 in Form C, purportedly under the provisions of the Assam Land within bracket Requisition and Acquisition bracket close Act 1964 within bracket 1964 Act. Post-op. By the order dated 13/5/2022, the petitioners were directed to hand over, surrender possession of the parcel of land. Post-op. Thereafter, notices, dated 31/1/2023, were issued to the petitioners in connection with land acquisition case number 9/2022, quantifying compensation amounts for acquisition.
For acquisition, my lord, but no notice under section 6 was served on.
Post-op. Para, it is the contention of the petitioner that no notice under section 6 of the 1964 Act to the knowledge of the petitioner, no notice was communicated to the petitioners under section 6 of the 1964 Act, and there is no publication in the official gazette.
To our knowledge.
That is why I say to,
Yes, my lord.
that is why I say
Yes,
to
madam.
your knowledge, for acquisition of a land, for acquisition of the parcel of land. Post of though the petitioners submitted objections, the same have not been given any consideration till date. Seeking directions inter alia to the respondent authorities to consider and adjudicate the objections to representations submitted by the petitioners, by way of region and speaking orders, and to furnish certified copies of the awards, valuation statements, and calculation sheets, etc. The petitioners have preferred this petition. Issue notice returnable on soil. as so and so, if he had accepted no formal notice, extra copies within 2 hours. The respondents are to file their responses on or before the returnable date.
Total land is 26 bigha. Total land is 26 bigha.
Measuring 26 begins.
15 lessons.
15 lessons.
2809, 28 September. Item 21.
May I please your question? Lordship, here the petitioner has.
Husband of the petitioner Ganesh Chandra Kalda proceeding from so and so when we reach a starting point. Unknown offending vehicle from Thanapara Ganeshpuri. Hi, Mr. S.I. I can learn a counsel for a petitioner. Mr. A. Aforesaid, Land Standing House Revenue and Disaster Management Department for respond number 1. Mr. Finance, Mr. R. Borbuzai, Land Standing Council Finance Department for the respond number 2. And Mr. M. Gustami, Land Junior Advocate Assam for the respond number 3, 4, and 5. First of the petitioner has prepared this writ petition seeking ex gratia relief as the next of kin of a deceased in terms of notifications, dated 15/11/2014 and dated 31/10/2023, of the revenue within bracket relief and rehabilitation branch and disaster management department, government of Assam. Full stop. According to the petitioner, the petitioner's husband died in a motor vehicle accident which is a hit and run accident. Hit and run?
Yes.
Okay. Issue notice. Or which is a hit and run accident or occurred at a public place.
Yes.
Issue notice returnable on so and so. As so and so has appeared accepted. A formal notice, extra copies. The respondents are to file their affidavits on or before the returnable date.
28 September, 2809. Item 22.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, in this case, Lordship, there was a plot of land measuring 4 kata 1 lesser. The petitioner had purchased the land in the year 2013. In the year 2025, when he wanted to sell the plot of land, then the respondent number 6, he lost one objection. And thereafter, my lord, hearing was done. After conducting hearing, he claimed that he is also the owner and he had also purchased the same plot of land. And to that effect, Lordship, he had also produced one sale deed. Thereafter, Lordship, one miscase was registered, hearing was conducted, and finally, my lord, order dated 7/1/2026 was passed. That is at page number 56. Last page number.
Mojul Haq.
Yes, my lord.
Akas Ali.
Akas Ali is the respondent number 7. A report has been received. Third paragraph, my lord.
The petition
A report
has been received from Akas Ali for cancellation of partition order. It is issued in the name of Mujial Haq in respect of land covered by tag number, pattern number, revenue village. Petitioner has stated that he has purchased a plot of land measuring 4 bigha 1 kata from Sokuruddin Ahmed through a registered sale. You purchased the land from whom?
Respondent number 7, Sofruddin. He also claimed to be purchased the land from the same person.
No. This Akas Ali, he is what?
He is respondent number 6, my lord. Who is
6.
Yes, lordship. He is also claiming that he is the
So
owner.
from Sofuruddin.
Sofuruddin.
And you are also claiming
Yes,
Sofuruddin.
Yes, lordship.
And you purchased the land when?
I purchased the land in the year 2013. And he claimed that he had purchased the land
2012.
2012.
Yes.
Now,
Mutation has been carried out in the name of respondent number 6, Akas Ali.
Yes, lordship. So, lordship, his sale deed was fake. That is the conclusion.
That we don't know.
That is the conclusion, lordship. After hearing, circle officer has passed the order that is.
No, he has not said.
My lord, page number
He
56.
simply said that as per the records, as per the records and report, that Akas Ali was seen to have purchased the plot of land from Sofuruddin by registered sale deed. And accordingly, mutation was carried out.
My lord, may kindly come to page number 56. Order dated 7/1/2026. Last portion. A report has been received.
56.
56, my lord. 7/1/2026. Order dated.
This is 1510. Then, just a minute then. Come to the Unreal Hawk, also purchased the same plot of land.
My lord, no sale deed has been registered in favor of Akas Ali. And his sale deed was fake, lord, my lord. And my sale deed authenticity has been proved. This order was passed. Thereafter, my lord, they are not doing anything. Though direction was given to cancel his mutation, my lord, but no steps has been taken by them as of now. Even lordship, in the meantime, we had also filed one RTI application. In the RTI petition also, my lord, reply has been given that his deed is.
Mr. M. Ahmed, counsel for the petitioner. PROCEEDINGS, Revenue 1 and 2, and Goswami 3, 4, and 5. Para. The petitioner has stated that the respondent authorities have not yet carried out cancellation of mutation recorded earlier, recording in respect of a plot of land measuring how much?
4 katha, 1 lesa, my lord.
Comma covered by dag number 49 and patta number 100 situated to revenue village Rajabala, Halukandi, South Salmara Revenue Circle, District South Salmara Mankasar. Subject line. In favor of the response number 6 and mediation of the subject lot in favor of the petition. The present petition is filed. Issue notice returnable on such. As so and so is appeared accepted, no formalities. Step 7, respond number 6 and 7 by speed proceeding to today.
Highly obliged.
Item 23.
Lord, I've been issued a notice, my lord, under the Control of National Highways Act 2002, which is at page 76. It's notice dated 9/7/2026, issued by the Executive Engineer, PWD, Nagaon Division, alleging that there has been an occupation, unauthorized occupation of the national highway land.
Periodical inspection of the highway land.
And I was asked
Just
to
a minute, just a minute. Just a minute. Let me read.
No, I want.
Yes.
Now, my lords, I was asked to remove this so-called unauthorized occupation. My lords. I have submitted a representation which is at page 77, because I was asked to make a representation, and the act requires me to make a representation. My lords. So, my lords, I have made a detailed representation that I have purchased. This is the periodic patta land I have purchased by a registered sale deed. I have constructed a G+3 building, my lords, taking all the necessary permissions. Now, that representation so far, my lords, has not yielded any result. My lords, I have also obtained information under the
CGC. So whether he is highway administrator or not, he has to be a highway administrator to derive jurisdiction to vacate any highway land. Is it not?
Yes. Page 76, the heading is Code of Highways.
Okay. He writes.
Lodge. And he has given the copy to the District Magistrate Sonitpur, Authorized Officer Highway Administration, for favor of kind information and with a request for removal of the above unauthorized occupation in accordance with Section 26 of the Control of National Highway Act 2002. The fact remains that this land has been sold 3 times. I'm the 4th purchaser since 1997. We have annexed all the registered sale deeds, all the permissions taken from all the statutory authorities, my lord. And if your lordship for a minute has page 51, that will indicate the actual, my lord's position, because that's the map, my lord, which was issued by the Tezpur Development Authority. This marked area, my lords, 1 katha, this is the land which belongs to the petitioner, my lords. And the national highway, my lords, is on the northern side here.
That will also require an examination from the notifications of the actual highway.
Of course. So they have to produce the record, because this is only based on a visual.
This has to be decided. Why we go into those? This has to be decided. Let us see. National Highway.
No, it will be the Control of National Highways Act, 2002.
Yes.
Section 26 of
Yes, Section 26. So subsection 6, Mr. Chaudhary. So this officer, now, if he acts as the highway administration or the authorized officer of the highway administration, then he has to decide whether no reasonable cause has been shown by before
Yes.
him.
Yes, that is a prerequisite to the next stage.
So according to petitioner, that he has filed a representation. So he has to arrive at a decision whether the petitioner has been able to show reasonable cause or not. Thereafter to proceed to the next stage, either to drop or to touch.
Yes, Lordship. It's there. Lordship, may give me a short time to know the status of the representation, whether any order has been issued or not. Lordship.
Both ways it is serious.
Yes, and Manoj, if your lordship.
Encroachment on national highway is serious.
Lordship.
Similarly,
Absolutely.
demolition of the effect of
For a minute.
petitioner's property right is also
Lordship,
serious.
for a minute, Lordship will have the page 86 onwards. Manoj. The photographs I have annexed. This is not a small stall or kiosk. This is
Let him obtain instruction.
Yes.
Field and status quo.
field instructions.
That much I can do because
Lordship,
we are not going into disputed
That is all that we require.
disputed questions.
No, that is not. He has to decide Manoj, first.
Heard Mr. A. Ganguly, learned counsel for the petition. Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel. Public Works Department, Union Bank National Highways. Government of Assam for the responder
14579.
Is it?
14579.
Mr. N. Goswami.
2, 3, 8 and 10.
Is it? And Mr. S. Roy. Tezpur Development.
Chairman.
Development Authority. S. Roy, learned counsel for the respondent number 11. A. Aforesaid, Revenue. 12. C. Borua, standing counsel. NHAI. 30. Post of. The petition has been served. A preliminary notice dated 9/7/2026 for purportedly for removal of unauthorized occupation. So the notice is issued under the hand of the respondent number 4. Purportedly as the authorized officer authorized by the highway administration under the control of National Highways within Land and Traffic Close Act 2002. Post of in a notice, it has been alleged that the petitioner is the authorized officer is satisfied that there is an unauthorized occupation on the part of the petitioner on the highway comprising an area of 30.00 square meter situated at KM 19.600, page 76 of NH 715 at Porua. Post op. As asked for by the preliminary notice, the petitioner submitted a representation before the respond number 3 and 4.
Lordship.
DC.
Yes, DC has been
3 and 4
3 and 4.
on 13/7/2026. Post op. According to the petitioner, comma, he has shown reasonable cause in the representation dated 13/7/2026 as to why the action contemplated by the preliminary notice dated 9/7/2026 shall not be carried out. Post op. Mr. Ganguly, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, has submitted that till it no speaking order has been communicated to the petition. Post op. In view of such submission, Mr. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, PWD, we didn't make it NH, comma, Assam, has sought for a week's time to obtain instruction in the matter, more particularly whether the representation submitted by the petitioner on 13/7/2026 has been given consideration or not. Right? Post op. In view of the above, let the case be listed.
Lordship, next Friday, 1 week time.
Okay. On next Friday date.
2808.
It is observed that till Friday, the parties shall maintain status quo with regard to the plot of land indicated in the preliminary notice dated 9/7/2026, and no pursuit steps shall be taken on the basis of the said preliminary notice dated so and so. You need a copy, Mr. Ganguly, and counsel for the petition. The furnish a copy of the resolution along with annexer to Mr. Chaudhary given the course of the day.
24.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this case, 2,000 rupees is the disputed amount.
You have instruction?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You heard Mr. P.R. Sharma, and counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. M. Sharma. Learned. Mr. S.S. Roy, learned Central Government Council for the respondent number 1. And Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the respondent number 2. Post op. Issue notice, post op. As the learned counsel for the parties have submitted that. As Mr. Sharma has submitted that he has received the necessary instruction as regards the contention raised in this repetition, and the repetition can be disposed of as per the on the basis of such instructions. Command the repetition, the notice is made returnable forthwith as all the respondents, as both the respondents are represented. Post of para. There is a case of the petitioner that he has been maintaining what kind of account? Savings.
Savings bank.
A savings bank account number so and so. With the respondent number 2. Post of. The petitioner. It is stated that the petition it is stated that on 20/03/2026, Bangalore, the station house officer, Jhajar Police Station, Haryana.
Yes, Your Honor. Jhajar Police Station, Haryana.
Send a notice under section 106. Bharatiya Nagorik Surakha Samhita 2023 BNSS to the manager stroke nodal officer of the respondent number 2, stating in the letter a complaint had been made, had been registered in the National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal. NCRP regarding one online financial fraud which had a connection with the bank account of the petition, and a said complaint was registered as NCRP acknowledgement number para 3. A copy of the complaint was served upon the petitioner, wherefrom the petitioner came to learn that his savings bank account maintained with the respondent number 2 had been kept debit freeze. Full stop. The petitioner stated that as on date, he has a balance of rupees 40,735 and the same bank account. Full stop. As the entire due to the debit freeze instruction command, he has not been able to operate the bank account, and as a result, it has affected him as he has not been able to carry out his day-to-day transactions. Post. Para. Mr. Sharma learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 has submitted that He has received instructions to the effect that the debitory's instruction was received from the station house officer.
Yes, from the cyber crime
Ah.
PS Jhajjar.
From the cybercrime police station. Charger,
Jhajjar, Haryana.
Haryana. To the effect that there is a suspicious transaction stroke credit in the bank account of the petitioner for rupees
2000.
2000. Dosto. He has submitted that though as on only one complaint regarding suspicious transaction stroke credit amounting to rupees 2000 is received by him. You need KYC also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2000 Liam.
Yes, sir. Thank
you. List item 25.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is also from Khatya number 173, in which earlier your lordship had passed order in WPC 3765, your lordship. I have corrected the said order.
Yes.
Page 30, your lordship.
Corrected order. Where is it?
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya. Petitioners could give. Petitioners 16 number could give. 17 number. 18. Okay. Same order then. You should. Yes. Huh?
Much obliged, your lordship.
26.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, there are three petitioners, lordship. All of them are brothers, lordship. They have a plot of land, lordship, measuring 4 biga, 2 katha, and 10 lessers. And the land is situated near Krishnai Suvelpara Road, lordship. The land is their patta land, agricultural land, lordship. But the forest department has set up a check post near the Suvelpara Road, and they are not allowed to enter into their land for agricultural purpose even.
Part, Mr. M.I. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners. A. Bhattacharya. Revenue 1. Mr.
S. Sharma, for forest management.
S. Roman, and standing counsel forest department for the respond number 1, 2, 5, 6.
2, 3, 5.
S. Roy.
4 and 7.
4 and 7. The petition. Who belong to the same family, have stated that they are the owners of a plot of land measuring 4 bighas, 2 kathas, 10 acres from a covered by Diag number 275 under periodic patta number 47. Must situate at village Ashurbi, plot number 7, Moja Mutia, Mutia Revenue Circle, Subdivision, Valpara, District Valpara, subject. Postal. It is stated that the subject plot is a agricultural land. Postal. The petitioners have approached this court for the present petition. Agreed by the denial. Agreed by by denial to agreed by an act of the respondent number 5. DFO.
Yes, Lordship.
Respondent number 5, who has prevented the petitioners from entering into the subject plot. What pretext? Any pretext?
Lordship, the surrounding land, they are taken under forest land. Lordship.
Without any due process of law, issue notice, returnable on so and so. Yes, Forest, you please apprise this court. As so and so has appeared, accepted. No formal notice, extra copies within 2 working days. The respondent authorities, more particularly the respondent number 5, shall file response traversing the contentions raised by the petition in this petition on or before the retardable date.
30/09, 30th September.
Lordship, may I pay one thing? Since they are cultivating on the land, agricultural land, and they.
Have you filed any representation?
Yes, I have filed before the DC, Lordship. DC forwarded the same to the circle officer. Circle officer forwarded the same to the DFO, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I kindly find page 31.
It is submitted that a representation.
1410.
Page.
Page 31, Lordship. Page 31.
Submitted by the petitioners before the respondent number
Has to submitted.
4.
Yes, Lordship.
Has been forwarded, has already been forwarded
To
to
respond
the
number
respondent number 5,
to
to the respondent number 7,
7. Okay.
to respondent number 7.
Yes, Lordship.
Post of.
Then
It
respondent
is
number
observed
7.
that pendency of the petition shall not be a bar for the for the respondent number 5 and the respondent number 7 to consider the prayer request of the petitioner to access the subject plot
Lordship.
for the purpose of carrying out cultivation, which according to the petitioners is the source of their
Income.
livelihood.
Lordship, DC forwarded the application to the respondent number 7, circle officer. Circle officer forwarded the same to the DFO.
By which forwarded to the respondent number 5.
Yes, Lordship.
Through the respondent number 7.
Yes, yes.
Also by the respondent number 5 for consideration as their source of livelihood.
Obliged, Lordship.
27.
This matter relates to the freezing of a debit freezing of my OD account, case credit account, Lordship. I am a wholesale business, Lordship.
Yes.
If Lordship goes to page 139, Lordship, I have a case credit facility of 4 crore 85 lakhs, Lordship, with the respondent number 3 bank, HDFC, Pennsylvania branch, Lordship.
Do you know in the region?
Lordship, some cyber crimes, I have gone to the cyber crime portal here also, Lordship. They have given me some reports that from different states, almost 11,
Almost 11.
11 Lordship,
Which is the bank?
Lordship. HDFC Bank, Lordship, 3.
Okay.
HDFC Fancy Bazar Bank, Lordship.
That is response number 3.
Response number 3, Lordship. We have served the notice, but again in the morning it was returned back that no standing counsel is there.
Maybe. Heard Mr. S.K. Poddar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Ms. B. Sharma, Learned Central Counsel for the response number 1. And this was 4. This is actually Ministry of Home Affairs.
Lordship, it is CGS.
And 4. Mr. J. Hendrik, Learned Junior Government Advocate, Assam,
For 5 Lordship.
for the response number 5. All are out.
All are
outside the state.
outstation, Lordship.
So the petitioner. Comma. Is maintaining a cash credit current account number so and so has been maintained with the response number 3 bank for carrying out its business transactions. First up, the respondent number 2 and 3 bank have sanctioned a limit of rupees 4 crore 80 lakh to the petitioner to use as a cash credit facility through the said bank account. Post up. The petitioners approached this court by the present writ petition, stating that the current said cash credit current account has been kept blocked, thereby preventing the petitioner to operate the bank account. Post up. On inquiry, the petitioner has learned that the account has been kept blocked purportedly on receipt of cyber crime complaints which were registered with the respondent number 4. Post up. The petitioner stated that the respondent number, the account has been clipped blocked on receipt of on registration of number of cyber complaints in the NCRP portal from the respondent number 5 to 13.
13.
Post up. It is contended on behalf of the petition that in none of the cyber complaints, alleged cyber crime complaints, the petitioner has any role. Conservation notice returnable on so and so. As so and so appeared accepted for formal notice, extra copies. Steps upon respond number 2, 3.
If 4 I directly cannot take. 4 I directly cannot take.
Fine.
Notice please.
Okay. 2 to 13 by speed post. Within 2 working days from today. How much is the involved amount?
They have shown it 15,49,000 Lordship, and they have returned back without any consent or 7,79,000 already returned back Lordship.
Huge amount.
Lordship. So my
Okay,
interim
last
request
part.
Lordship,
Last part will you.
interim request Lordship, maybe keeping in hold of rupees 10 lakhs even.
We'll pass the order after receipt. Let the notice be served
Lordship. So interim prayer may be kept open for next.
No interim prayer will dispose of the writ petition.
Lordship. Because it is now business season coming, Lordship.
That I know, but what to do? Such kind of interim order is difficult. Let them come.
Amount may be 15 lakh, even 10 to 15 lakhs may be kept on lien, Lordship. Sufficient amount is there. 2 crore facilities is still available there, Lordship.
So, on the returnable date, we will dispose of the writ petition. But notice
A
has
short
to be
date if
served.
possible, Lordship.
30/09, 30th September.
Very short date, 30 days, you think?
So many respondents are to be served.
Lordship. We'll take step by.
It is not for any reason. There must be some reason.
No, suspected transfers have been come to our account from suspected accounts, Lordship.
But huge. How many?
Total from 11 accounts, Lordship.
And from different states.
Different states because we are the wholesale business that pay people used to pay us online. That's the problem.
Let us see, let us see.
Item 28.
My lord, this matter, I think wrongly matter listed reports. Perhaps it has to be mentioned, listed before a division bench, my lord. Surface.
Division bench?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't
Surface.
We cannot send the matter before the division bench. Heard Mr.
Casing.
Is it?
It is not division bench matter because they want extension of one-time settlement.
Oh.
Which is already cancelled by the bank. We have
My
cancelled
lord,
the
even we are
OTA.
seeking for notice under section 38A of the Surface Act, my lord.
This is a OTS.
OTS, ma'am. OTS is already, my lord, sanctioned, my lord. We have paid some amount and could not pay the remaining amount. We are seeking some time. My lord, now we are not on that. We are ready to pay, my lord. Only thing is that before sale of this property, my lord, I may be allowed to participate in the auction sale so that I can redeem my
lord, property is already sold.
That will be given to you as per statute.
Yes, my lord. 13(8), my lord.
And why, when a
No, my lord,
statute,
already without issuing notice, they have not taken over the possession of the land. So contemplating to sell to the third party, my lord.
we cannot interfere in this process.
My lord.
So far OTS is concerned, this is liable to be dismissed.
Yes, my lord. Only my
This prayer, whatever you have made, this is to be not a purpose for writ petition.
And this OTS is already cancelled.
Cancellation notice is not issued to me, man.
It is
No, let there be no cancellation.
My lord.
But direction you have sought is outside the purview of 226. The issue has been settled.
My lord, that is, my lord, we have already admitted.
When a direction relief sought for cannot be granted in this writ petition, why should we keep this writ petition pending?
My lord, my prayer is, my lord.
Let us read your prayer,
My lord.
page 16.
My lord.
Breathe.
In the premises for it is therefore pray that your lordship may be precisely pleased to issue notice to the respondent, call for records and issue collating upon respondent to show as to why a read in the nature of mandamus shall not be issued, directing the respondent bank to grant some time to the petitioner to pay the remaining OTS settlement amount against his loan, with further the mandamus shall not be.
Admittedly, you have failed,
my lord,
to honor,
my lord,
the OTS commitment. Admittedly, you have failed. This is your case.
My lord.
Now you grant extension.
No, my lord, this.
That is one.
Yes, yes.
That cannot be granted. Coercive action as per the Surface Act.
My lord. That's why I'm saying, my lord, if Surface Act is there, my lord, then it has to become before division bench, my lord. That's why. As per the roster.
I cannot send it. I can only dismiss it.
My lord, then my lord, I may be allowed to withdraw it, man, with a liberty to file a fresh, man.
If you can invoke
my
Surface Act, because there is no mention of Surface Act.
Now, content is there, my lord.
Content is there.
I may be allowed to withdraw with liberty to file a fresh, man.
Mr. K. Singhal and counsel for the petitioner has submitted that he may be allowed to. Petitioner may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition in order to avail appropriate remedy. Mr. S. Parvez, Learned Counsel, for the respondent's bank. For the respondent bank authorities is present. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Singhal and counsel for the petitioner, the writ petition is disposed. dismissed on withdrawal with the liberty as sought for. Make mention of section 13 and go to the division bench.
Supplementary list, item 48.
We'll start dictating, let the other cases be.
Lordship,
Any further instruction?
I have got one judgment of Delhi High Court. They said that temporary cannot be more than 1 year loss.
No, Supreme Court is there. No point showing,
Lordship,
no point showing Justice Dipankar Dutta
Yes,
judgment.
my lord. Lordship, that is only probably that is different.
Huh?
That is on the different point, Lord. I've gone through that judgment also. But the Delhi High Court judgment is very specific. That under section 83(2), the provisional attachment cannot be more than 1 year loss. Probably that is in favor of the petitioner also. Lord. And
We'll consider all the three.
Yes.
After some time, let the other cases be. All counsels are there.
Not so.
Timing matter, item 14.
Yes. Your name, please?
Hussain.
Okay. Yes, what is your case?
Yes, Lord. Lordship, matter pertains to against non-payment of the compensation against acquisition of the land of the grandfather of petitioner. The grandfather of the petitioner was the original pattadar, covered by DAG number 297303 333, which is annex head with annexation 1, page 26, my lord.
Heard Mr. A. Hussain, Learned Counsel for a petitioner. What day? This respondent of 6 and 7?
6 and 7, my lord.
What day? What day? You are making grievance against the state.
Yes, my lord.
What day? 6 and 7? Five sons. Where is their mention? Where is their mention?
Lordship mentioned para number 12, my lord.
Heard Mr. Swenson had counsel for the petitioners. Petition. Revenue, aforesaid. Revenue disaster. 1 and 2. PJ Talukdar. Senior counsel, said by Mr. P.K. Medhil, junior government advocate. Assam for the respondent number 3 and 4. AIDC. Anybody? The case of the petition is that his grandfather was the original owner of a plot of land, parcel of land, covered by DAG number 297, 303, and 333, and Patta number 143, situated at Bonbhat, Solmari village, Mauja Notun Dehar, Banekusi Revenue Circle, District Nambari, subject plot for sale. And his grandfather's name is still recorded in the records of right. Full stop. The respondent authorities provide LA case number 27/2020, acquired a plot of land acquired total 174 bighas, 2 kathas, including the subject plot, under section 6 within bracket 1 of the Assam Land Requisition and Acquisition Act 1964. Full stop. Despite acquisition, no compensation amount has been paid to the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner has contended that despite not being eligible, the respondent authorities have disbursed compensation amounts to the respondent number 6
And 7.
and 7. Issue notice returnable in so and so. 1 to 4 to representative. Step 7, 5 to 7 by speed post to invoke this.
3009.
Objection.
Order stay vacating items 29 and 30.
What is the case about?
In fact, there are two IAs. One is for filed by my learned friend to vacate the stay order. One, I have filed to implead 2 persons.
Then, Mr. Sharma, not today, because we have to write.
Yes, sir.
Some other day.
Not yes.
I am Sharma for the applicant.
In the IA for the applicant.
For the applicant in which I 29.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
First time.
1630. 2020. And Mr. A. Ganguly for like counsel for the opposite party are present. First up. Who is this? You are the applicant in the other one.
In the other one.
In the writ petition.
2559.
Remaining
In the other IA.
Yes, 2559 of 26.
Okay. There, Mr. Sharma is the
Respondent is the opposite.
Applicant in IA 1630-2026. And the opposite party in 2559-2026. And Mr. A. Ganguly, counsel for the opposite party in IA 1630 and the applicant in 2559-2025 are present. Okay. The interlocutory application IA 1630/2026 is for vacation of an interim order. And IA other interlocutory application so and so is for implement of a party, of a necessary party.
Necessary party.
Projected necessary party. So let the cases be listed again on side view. The interim orders wherever passed earlier shall continue till the next.
11 September.
Mr. P. Hazarika, you are there? Mr. P. Hazarika, learned counsel for the respondent number for a respondent Reserve Bank of India is in attendance.
1109. For admission, item 31.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, as per the last order, Lordship, the respondent number 6 and 7 was supposed to file affidavit.
Yes, Mr. Bhuya.
Lordship, as per the last order, we have communicated it to the joint director as well as the officer of the director of health services. However, the instructions in this case is awaited, Lordship. Sometime, Lordship.
Mr.
I am in, Lordship.
I
Amin.
Petitioners N. Bordoloi, Revenue 1 and 2, M. Bhuya, and Goswami 3, 4, and 5 are present. Mr. M. Bhuya, Learned Counsel. Representing the Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department for the respondent number 6 and 7, has sought further 2 weeks time to obtain instructions in deference to the order dated 31/7/2026. The request is accepted. List the case on so and so.
16 September, 1609.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item 32.
May it please your lordship. My lord, in this matter, we are awaiting the rejoinder affidavit of the petitioner, my lord, for the respondent IOCL.
Your lordship, let the matter be fixed for admission hearing. Within 3 weeks, we'll provide the affidavit. And there is
Mr.
A. Rajkot.
Learned, counsel for the petitioner has sought for and is granted 3 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Mr. N. Borua, learned counsel for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 has appeared through the partial mode along with Mr. You were there.
B.
For IOC.
B. Das. I'm appearing on behalf of
Along
my
with
senior.
Mr.
B. Das.
You are for?
I'm
Which?
appearing on behalf of my senior for IOCL.
For Borua.
Yes.
Along with Mr. So-and-so.
Your Lordship.
List the case on so-and-so, the interim order passed yourself.
Your Lordship, there was an interim order.
I have already dictated.
23rd September.
Why don't you follow it?
Item 33.
Obliged.
Yes. Yes, madam, you are filing your affidavit or not?
No, Lordship, I was not directed, Your Lordship.
Who is
On first
directed?
occasion by PWD and PNRD, Your Lordship.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. PWD? And Bordola Revenue 1. P Nayak. WD. 2, 4. Two and 4. And these are all the estate best ones. 2, 3, 7. As doctor.
5, 6, and 8.
5, 6, and 8.
Lordship, I'm appearing for 2 and 4. Lordship.
Yes. Anybody 9 and 10? Okay. The respondents are granted further 3 weeks time to 4 weeks time to file their respective counter evidence. This is the case after provision date to expire.
34.
May I please?
Lordship, affidavit, I have filed it today only, so it's not a part of the record.
R. Sharma,
My lord.
petitioner. B. Sharma, CGC 1. And Goswami. Oh, Vijay Alder. Okay, 2 estate by students. So P. Nayak. 3.
Respondent side, name does.
5.
5.
N does.
NM does.
NM does. 5. PWD. Mr. B. Chaudhary. Standing on the PWD 4. Ms. Sharma has submitted that an affidavit in reference to the order dated 27/7/2026 has been filed today, and the said affidavit is not on record. So, list the case on so and so with the affidavit of the respondent number 1, comma stated to have been filed today, comma on record.
9 September 0909.
Obliged.
Item 35.
My appeal, Lordship. Lordship, my senior is keeping not well today, Lordship. Matter may be taken up in next week. In the meantime, Lordship, we have filed affidavit in reply, Lordship.
My lord, this case is covered by my lord Firdous Rahman. Petitioner contested the election and he lost to the respondent number 6. Thereafter, he filed an application before the my lord secretary.
Which date? Which date? Which date?
29 September.
2909.
Okay, Mr.
M. Alam, Lordship.
M. Alam petitioner as Dr. 1345. N. Goswami 2. M. Islam 6. Mr. So and so has sought for and is granted further 3 weeks time to file reply affidavit to the affidavit of opposition filed on behalf of the respondent number 6. List the case on which date?
2909. 29 September. Item 36.
36, same.
Same.
Same, Lordship.
Same kind of disqualification or what?
Yes.
Same.
Same.
Mr. M. Hussain.
M. Alam, Lordship.
Alam.
Alam, Lordship.
Okay. As Dr. 1345 and Goswami 2 M. Along. You were for response number 6. 6. M. Alamgir. No. No. Your name, good name, please.
Yeah, Alam.
A. Alam. 6. Same order, reply affidavit, same date.
My lord, I think in this case, the affidavit not filed.
No, to the response number
Yes,
6.
yes, it's fine. Yes.
Item 37.
P.R. Sharma, petitioner, and Goswami, 14567. C. Borua 3, A. Borua 2. Yes. What is the case about?
Page 7, Lordship.
Lot of land.
Page 7 to both.
Okay, the respondents are granted.
I have some instructions, received some instruction from the police, Lord.
Huh?
I have received instruction from the police.
What does it say?
Yes, some incident was happened, Lordship, and she was kidnapped, and she was a mentally disturbed person, Lordship, and 70 years old.
Mr. Goswami has my junior government advocate has submitted that he has received instruction from the respondent number 7. In the matter from the respondent number 7, and he would like to bring those instructions on record by way of an affidavit in opposition. For filing the same, he has sought for 3 weeks time, 4 weeks time, because the other respondents are to file their respective counter affidavit also within 4 weeks time. This is the case concerns.
2809, 28 September.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 38.
FZ Mazumdar for a petitioner.
Okay,
J. Hendrik
I received
for all the
another
respondents.
instruction.
Ah.
So I'm going to file an
Mr. Hendrik has submitted that he has received the necessary instructions to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents and has paid for and has sought for and is granted. How much time? 3 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. The request is accepted. List the case also.
23rd September. Item 39.
Lord, the district commissioner has filed a reply. I need to file a rejoinder, short.
Mr. A. Ganguly, and counsel for the petition, has sought for and is granted. How much time?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file a reply affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number
2 months.
2.
It
Mr.
was filed
Vijay
yesterday.
Thalgar, senior counsel, listed by Mr. P.K. Medil, and counsel for the respondent number, and junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 1 to 4 is present.
That was filed yesterday.
Okay. The affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2.
2 district.
As the seat. Affidavits in opposition of the respondent number 2 stated to have been filed yesterday, is not on record. And considering the request made on behalf of the petitioner, list the case on so and so with the affidavit in opposition of the respondent number 2 on record.
1609, 16 September. Item 40.
I'm appearing for respondent number 3, my lord. It's regarding some chief minister's scheme, my lord, for giving some compensation to the. I pray for some 3 weeks time to file my affidavit.
M.R. Khandokar, petitioner. A. Authorised, Revenue 1, J. Anjik 224, and Mr. B. Gogoi, standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare.
No. For 3, I'm appearing, my lord. But here I will appear for, my lord, 2, 3, 4,
Okay, and Mr. B.
5, 6.
Learned Additional Advocate General Assam
2 to
for the
6.
respondent number
2 to 6.
How many?
2 to 6, man.
Yes, Mr. Khandokar, how many
My lord,
respondents?
Respondents, 5 respondents.
5.
2 to 5.
2 to 5.
Has sought for.
2 to 5.
Mr. Gogoi has sought for and is granted 3 weeks time to obtain essay instruction and to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondent. Respondent number 225. Lays the case on stretch.
My lord, item 44.
23rd September.
44.
Yes, it will be 2 to 6 there.
Okay.
44.
Same.
2309.
2309.
44. Respondent number 1. Revenue and model. Again, BU 2 to 6. M.R. Khandokar.
My lord, maybe listed along with.
Same date.
Same.
date.
And
Obligation.
Item 41.
His Lordship, my lord, the matter pertains to the claims of the respondent department, which have been extinguished following the successful.
B. Gogoi.
Yes, what are instructions? I would like to file my affidavit. After
Or Mr. S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing of the Finance and Taxation Department, Government of Assam for all the respondents. Mr. Gogoi has submitted that he has received a necessary instruction to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents and has sought for and is granted how much time?
3 weeks, man.
3 weeks time to file the same. Lays the case on so and so. The interim order. Past title. Shall continue.
Very well.
Till the next.
42, 43.
Same.
Obligation, my lord.
42, 43, same.
41, 42, 43,
45,
same.
45.
41, 42, 43. Parties are same.
2309.
Orders are same. Interim orders are same.
Item 45.
Steps were taken, my lord, but nobody has appeared for respondent number 1 and 2.
Mr. MP Dora, Land Council for the petitioner, and Mr. J. Henry, Land Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 3 are present. Peruse the order dated. As per order dated 5/8/2026 of the Lojima Court, service of notice upon the respondent number 1 and 2 is complete, as none has appeared on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2 today on call. Let the case be listed on so and so for appearance of it. 2 weeks DDU. For appearance of the respondent in the appropriate column for appearance of the respondent number 1 and 2.
9 September 0909. Item 46.
Lordship, I beg to withdraw this petition, my lord, since the freezed account of the petitioner lordship already defreezed, my lord.
Okay, Mr. M.M. Yaman, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that during the pendency of the petition, the bank account number so and so maintained by the petitioner at Sorbuk branch of respondent, which bank?
State Bank of India, my lord.
State Bank of India has been decreased, and therefore the petitioner has no surviving cause of action to pursue this petition further. Miss
Didas.
Didas, Learned Counsel for the
Respondent number 4.
respondent number 4.
CGC.
Okay. You were there? Okay. 2, counsel. Okay, is present. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Jamal and counsel for the petition, the repetition stands closed.
My obliged lordship.
Yes.
Supplementary list 52.
Aras. As did Mozundar and counsel for the petitioner. CGC? No. Government? No. You are for who?
Mr. Roy appeared.
No, for Union. Okay. As per order dated 10/8/2026 of the Law Jima Court. Service of notice upon the response number 4 and 5 is deemed to be complete. So none has appeared.
I'm appearing the respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Okay. And Miss
R. Dev on behalf of SS Royal Lodge.
for the response number 1, 2, and 3. Absolutely can live. None, as none has appeared for the respondent number 4 and 5.
The 4 earlier, Mr. Roy appeared, Lordship.
Huh?
And I have served the copy to him also.
No, Lordship.
That is not the case. 4 and 5 registered post. 3, 4, and 5. You have instruction to appear on behalf of respondent 4.
No, Lordship. 1, 2, and 3 only, Lordship.
Because it is an executive officer of the Central House Committee, is a part of the
If
Ministry
they
of
do not
Minority
represent,
Affairs.
how can I force them to represent? As none has appeared for a respondent number, to represent the respondent number 4 and 5. Come and list the case again after 3 weeks video for appearance of the respondent number in the appropriate column. For appearance of the respondent number 4 and 5. In the admission column, it will come.
Lordship.
Obliged Lordship.
Yes. Vehicle.
Item 48.
Yes.
What's it, one judgment of case of Honorable Supreme Court. But if the facts of that case was different. In this case, what happened? After expiry of the attachment order, fresh order was issued by the authority. The Gujarat High Court dismissed the writ petition against that SFD was prepared. But if this is judgment of Delhi High Court, recent of 7/8. This is already covered the case of the petition also. And some direction has been given to the bank also. To paragraph 4. Paragraph 4.
No, it can be directly deduced from the Supreme Court judgment.
My lord. Paragraph 19, my lord.
From the, it is clearly, because it is not very, it is only persuasive.
Not
But
No, correct,
Supreme
Lord.
Court judgment, some motive.
Not paragraph.
Supreme Court judgment says it means 1 year means 1 year.
Yeah, Lordship, that it cannot be extended to further year. That is the.
That is the principle that can be deduced from the Supreme Court judgment.
That further it cannot be extended.
It is only one that.
And if it is, there are many things which can be taken out from the Supreme Court judgment. Firstly, there is no scope for perhaps renewal. Once it is 1 year period is over,
Then it cannot be extended.
it cannot be extended after
that period.
That has been laid down by another judgment, RH Global Exports Private Limited, Supreme Court.
That has
Right?
been referred in the judgment, my lord. Sorry, my lord, it has been my
And
office.
original is on 83-1, original is Radha Krishan.
Radha Krishna, ma'am.
On 83-1.
83-1,
Yes,
my lord.
Now the second one is 83-2.
2, my lord.
We'll start,
My-
if not possible to complete, roll over to Monday. heard. These are correct. The facts I have recorded earlier
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
in the original motion.
Yes.
Motion date.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, it is correct.
Okay. These three writ petitions, comma, filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, comma, have this file now, like, understood, so have involved similar issue which is relatable to Section 83 of the Central Goods and Services Tax Act 2017. First. After this DRC 22, there is no other order.
No, Lordship, we have not extended it. We have not passed any order.
I have heard Mr. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. S. Chanda, learned central government counsel for the respondent number 1. Mr. S. Sikal, learned senior counsel and special counsel, CGST for the respondent number 2, 3, 4, and 5. And Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, Finance and Taxation Department, Government of Assam, for the respondent number 6 and 7. Close to. It is a common case of all the three petitioners that their savings bank accounts maintained at HDFC Bank Limited, Howrah, Lilua branch, West Bengal, have been kept blocked since 19/5/2022 by the respondent authorities, respondent CGST authorities. In exercise of power purportedly under Section 83 CGST Act, read with Rule 159 within bracket 159 of the Central Goods and Services Tax Rules 2017 within bracket CGST rules for short. Full stop. As before, a dilation on the issue raised in these petitions, a brief narration of facts projected in the petitions require required to be mentioned. A brief narration of fact involving the repetition can be mentioned. First of para WBC number 4286/2026. নালাগে প্ৰথমতে দিয়ক নালাগে WBC নাম. It is stated that a proceedings where a proceeding was initiated against Messrs. Salazar Exim Limited and one Sri Ashish Kumar Mandelia, who is the Chief Executive Officer within bracket erstwhile Director of Messrs. Salazar Exim Limited. First, the petitioner is the wife of one Sri Omar Mandelia. Who is he? He is director.
Director, my lord.
Huh?
A director.
Who is also a director in Messrs. Salazar Exim Limited. He has received any notice? Demand notice?
Of course, notice not issued to him, my lord.
Okay. First of the proceedings were initiated resulted in issuance of a demand cum so cause notice under section 122 of the CGST Act on 25/6/2025. And the present petitioner is not a noticee stroke recipient of the demand cum so cause notice dated 25/6/2025. Poster. It is stated that without service of notice in form GST DRC 22, the bank account of the petitioner has been kept blocked since 19/5/2025 till date. Purportedly under section 83 of the CGST Act. Poster. Same. Baki ita? Delhi High Court, you have given?
Yes, what you have given.
You have given, right. WBC number 4298. This lady has two accounts.
Yes, my two accounts. One with HDFC Bank and other with my lord IndusInd Bank.
You don't have that IndusInd DRC 22.
That's it.
Is it part of the petition?
I've given the list loot sheet on the last occasion.
This is only not IndusInd.
What's it here?
প্ৰথম লিখা আছে এইটো যেনেকে এডিট কৰি দিলো এইটো এনেকে এডিট কৰি দিব লাগে দুটা একাউণ্ট নম্বৰ লিখাই আছে অৰ্ডাৰটোত এইটো HDFC লিলোৱা ৱেষ্ট বেংগল আৰু এটা IndusInd ষ্টক এক্সচেঞ্জ ব্ৰাঞ্চ ৱেষ্ট বেংগল ৰাইট India Exchange please India Exchange stock exchange নহয় India Exchange Place, Kolkata. Mother of Ashish Mandelia.
Yes, my lord.
So WBC number 4298. Again, সেইমতে edit কৰি দিম। WBC number 4299. One bank account?
It's one bank account, which is HDFC Bank.
Same. Edit কৰি দিম। I am taking care to pass the order so that if sometime in future this type of thing come,
Yes,
you need not spend time.
Lord.
That is why I am
No, Lordship.
spending time to pass the order to cover all the areas so that
Lordship,
in future it comes,
Yeah,
we
Lordship.
can handle on all the basis, whatever I have recorded in the order, pick up the paragraphs and dispose
Yes.
of. Otherwise, no point spending
Lordship.
because authorities would continue, writ petitions would be filed. We have to decide.
Lordship, Delhi High Court also observed that many retreats are pending, so they are
Okay.
given direction to
That is
the
why I'm
Lordship.
taking the trouble to pass detailed order
And
so
I-
that in future it will be of my help.
I have talked to the officer. He said that we have not passed any order after expiry of the 1 year.
Comma, the common question, the question raised by নাম কেইটা লিখিছো না নাম কেইটা লিখিছো তেওঁলোকৰ নাম কেইটা লিখিছো না I have heard. The prime contention raised by Mr. Mishra and counsel appearing for the petitioners in all these writ petitions is that after an order is passed under section 83 of the CGST Act read with Rule 159. For provisional attachment of any property, comma, including bank account, comma, upon initiation of any proceedings, comma, mentioned herein, comma, an order of provisional attachment, comma, by virtue of subsection 2 of section 83, comma, ceases to have effect after a period of 1 year from the date of the order passed under subsection 1 of section 83. Post of. He has further submitted that it is a mandate under Rule 159. Of the CGST rules. These are the problem. Section and rules.
That is the yes, my lord.
Very difficult to remember.
But Lordship, this problem has been minimized by Justice Ashok Saraf. He is in his book, Lordship. He has copied the rules also.
That is why. এখন নহয়, এখনো বেয়া, এখনো বেয়া. This book is also not bad because with the এখনো নাই কি? এখনো নাই, আৰু এখন আছে নেকি আমাৰ? Uh, is a mandate under Rule 159 CGST rules. For the commissioner to pass an order in Form GST DRC -22 if it is decided by the commissioner to attach any property. Full stop. He has further submitted that and a provisional attachment order can be passed in respect of any property, including bank account, belonging to the taxable person or any person specified in subsection 1A of section 122 of the CGST Act. Full stop. He has contended that the proceedings, what was the proceeding? Here?
So cause proceeding.
Who is that?
Yes, 17 minutes.
On which date?
This so cause was issued on my lord 25/6/2025 minute.
20?
25/6/2025 minute so cause was issued my lord.
No.
The investigation. It was started, my lord, in 22 itself, my lord.
Is there any idea?
My lord. Let's see, she will find, my lord, page 18 onward, my lord. They have started investigating. They have got some information, my lord, from Visakhapatnam.
Show me the demand order. Show me the demand one.
But page 17 is the so-called notice. Here, lordship, this part, you lordship will find it
Page
17 starts, my lord.
17.
17, my lord. In which, my lord, I do. So, my lord will, which, my lord,
Show me the demand comes to person.
yes, my lord. My lord.
96. 96.
Yes, my type copy is there in.
Oh, sometime I
My lord.
prefer to
My lord,
read.
My lord. 96. Page 99, my lord. Your lordship will, there was a search on 13/5/2022, my lord. Paragraph number 1, my lord. Below diagram, my lord. Page 99.
In the cases in hand, a search was carried out in a principal place of business, PPOB, along with the additional place of business of Messrs. Salazar Exim Limited, bearing ZSTIN, page 99. And the residential premises of the directors of Messrs. Salazar Exim Limited. Post. Any date?
Such date is there 13/5/2022, my lord. 13/5/2022
On 13/5/2022 onwards.
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 Onwards, my lord. But the search concluded on 14/5, my lord. It is there second line, my lord.
Okay. Page 99.
Page 99, my lord. Principal place of business of Salarsa Exim Limited.
On 13/5/2022 and 14/5/2020. No, onwards, because there are other.
My lord, my lord.
On 13/7/2022.
My lord, my lord.
During the course of the investigation, under section 70 of the CGST Act, statements were recorded of a number of persons. Close up. It is in the course of such investigation, the bank accounts maintained by these petitioners came to be provisionally attached on 19/5/2022. Close down. It is, Mr. has pointed out that the investigation so initiated resulted finally in issuance of a demand cum show cause notice, right?
Yes, my lord.
On show cause notices.
My lord, yes, no, one notice, two
One.
notice. One notice, two notice, my lord. At page 96, my lord.
96, only Ashish Kumar Mandalia
And company.
or others?
No, there is no,
Only one.
only one.
2%.
That is company and Ashish.
Ashish.
Okay. Resulted in issuance of a demand cum show cause notice dated
25/6/2025.
under section 122 of the CGST Act to Messrs. Salasar Exim Limited and its CEO, Sri Ashish Kumar Khandelia. Mandalia. Post up. It is submitted that the such demand cum show cause notice has not been issued to any of these three petitioners. Reference.
Yes.
We'll put it on Monday in the second hour after you do all your cases. Come at 3:30.
Lots.
Right?
Lots.
This is not to be reflected in the cause list, but after 3.
We have no objection, Lord. If release order is passed. If defreeze order is passed, Lordship, because
No. I have to pass the
No,
order in your presence. If I
Lordship, I will make
cheating alone, I may commit factual mistakes.
Lordship. I'll be present.
Law is not the issue. Factual, and if we keep it, then it goes because I don't get time. Release the cases. Release the cases again on Monday.
And if Monday absent default, my friend will be there. He will assist you.
Monday. That understanding is that after 3.
Lots.